Welcome to the world of hair extensions and wigs. Today, we are going to explore the difference between Remy and non-Remy hair. Non-Remy hair is collected from various sources, including cities, villages, and even trash. Hair that belongs to women whose hair has become weak and broken or has fallen out due to lack of nutrition. These hairs are then sorted and processed using harsh chemicals, which damages the hair cuticles. The first step in processing non-Remy hair is to wash it with low-quality surf powder. This is followed by several chemical processes that further damage the hair. Finally, a limited quantity of hair is extracted from these bundles to create a single product, such as a wig or extension. That means using hair from thousands of women to make one product. In contrast, DEECEE Hair's hair is sourced directly from the temple. These hairs are donated by women and are then carefully sorted and processed, and is tied with a rubber band during the shaving process. This ensures that the hair remains intact and does not get damaged. DEECEE Hair only uses shampoo and conditioner and does not subject its hair to any harsh chemical processes. Also, these products are from a single donor. It's no surprise that non-Remy hair is often of poor quality. Since these hairs come from multiple sources, their cuticles and roots are not aligned in the same direction. This leads to tangling and breakage, especially when washed or styled. To combat this, non-Remy hair companies often use chemicals to coat the hair and make it appear healthier. However, this coating wears off over time, leaving the hair dry, brittle, and prone to breakage. In contrast, DEECEE Hair's Remy hair is of exceptional quality. Since these hairs come from a single source and are carefully processed, their cuticles and roots are aligned in the same direction. DEECEE Hair's products are designed to last longer and withstand the rigors of daily wear and tear. So why do mostly companies prefer to use non-Remy hair? The answer lies in cost. Do you know India is the world's largest hair exporter, accounting for approximately 93% of global hair exports? However, the truth behind this industry is shocking. Out of the hair exported by India, 90% is non-Remy and hairball, while only 10% is Temple Remy hair. These 90% non-Remy hairs are often imported to countries with low labor costs, such as Bangladesh, Myanmar, Vietnam, and Hong Kong. Low labor costs in these countries enable the cost-effective transformation of non-Remy and hairball into machine-processed Remy and chemical-processed Remy. This semi-processed hair and finished products are used by companies from countries like China, Brazil, Indonesia, Vietnam, Myanmar, where they are used to manufacture wigs and extensions with their highly chemical processes and export as Chinese, Brazilian, Indonesian, Vietnamese hairs, often mislabeled and sold under the guise of Natural Temple Remy. The remaining 10%, which is Natural Temple Remy hair, is exported exclusively through India to countries such as the USA, Europe, Africa, and the Middle East. And here's the shocking truth. Currently, only about 3% of the global hair trade is Remy hair. The remaining 97% of the market is dominated by non-Remy hair, often sold under the guise of Remy hair. This is why many of you may have struggled to find a reliable hair business partner. At DEECEE Hair, we believe that quality is paramount. That's why we only use Remy hair in our products. We source our hair from renowned temples and carefully process it to ensure that it remains strong, healthy, and resilient. DEECEE Hair, guaranteed trust. With over 10 years of experience in the hair industry, our customer reviews, company registration, and product testing and certification prove that our products are of high quality and safe for you. So the next time you're in the market for hair extensions or wigs, remember the difference between Remy and non-Remy hair. No one has revealed what we've shared in our video. To uncover the secrets behind our products, give us a chance to serve you. Choose quality. Choose DEECEE Hair. See? Try our natural Temple Remy products and discover the depth of our secrets.